Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Victory Vision. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 30,880 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the front tire has some dry rot, the saddlebags have damage due to not enough air pressure in the rear suspension and will need to be adjusted when riding 2-up or with full luggage, and the belt has a wear spot on the outside. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a blemish on the exhaust heat shield, scrapes on the floorboards, and surface scratches around the ignition. This bike has an owner's manual and one key. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with a Freedom exhaust, a Stage 1 intake, grips, a primary cover, and chrome front fender trim. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.